Have you ever heard of the 4Ps formula? They stand for problem, promise, proof, and proposal. And as luck would have it, Simplified's AI has a template to help you lay out your marketing strategy using those 4Ps. To start, we'll come down to our AI assistant represented by our little robot head. Click on that. Come down here to our templates and click Explore. And from here, we'll scroll down to the 4Ps formula template. Click on that, and then fill in the prompts provided. We'll start by selecting our language, and then type in our company or brand name, and then fill in what product or service we offer. And once you're done filling in the prompts, click Generate at the bottom right-hand corner. And there you have it. Simplified's AI has just generated a 4Ps marketing layout using the information I provided. If I'd like to see more options, I can always click this Generate button down here. I can heart the ones that I'd like to add to my favorites, copy them directly to my clipboard and paste them wherever, trash the ones that I don't like, and if I'd like to add my own personal touch to the descriptions, I can click these three dots right here and click Edit. And there you have it. Simplified's AI helps marketing your business a breeze. For more tips and tricks on how Simplified can help make promoting your business easy, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.